Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a freestyle set using duck nails. I'm super excited about how this turned out. I'm going to show you how I did it. These are all my supplies that I used, and let's get started. So of course, first things first, we're going to use our base coat from Beetles and we'll get that on as the first layer before we do any kind of design. I'm then going to use that combination of those two blush pink sheer polishes. I had to really layer up on these because they are sheer and I wanted it to be as opaque as possible. Every single one of these items that I'm using is from Amazon, so if you guys need to find them, I'll have them linked down below in my description and you can access it through my storefront.
I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumaye. Niggas be past tense, living in the middle. This in my job.
So the polishes that I'm using are from Beetles. I'm just going to be making French tips on each of these nails and then using 2 coats of polish. I just don't show it on camera because obviously y'all know how to layer nail polish. Just in between each layer, do a 60-second cure and then do the next layer.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
The most fun part about this set is definitely the colors and the designs that I put on here. It definitely gives Y2K realness, very like early 2000s, extra girly. Like if y'all remember the like Lisa Frank and like Justice and all like the little girl stores, it kind of just reminds me of that, but super cute and just funky and fun. So with that, I'm going to be doing cheetah print, I'm going to be doing a reptile print, and then also zebra print.
Drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't start up till I die. You can do what you
I know a lot of people do not, and I mean do not, like duck nails. I'm honestly not very opposed to them. I think they're kind of fun, and like I said, it gives that like Y2K realness and I'm really into it. I feel like I was very like vanilla when I first started out. I wanted to do very simple sets, but as I've gotten better at nails, I'm definitely more into designing and creating and letting my mind just kind of flow free with the creativity. So let me know down below, leave me a comment and let me know, do you like duck nails? Is it something that you would wear or is it something that you would steer clear of altogether? Let me know.
just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't start up till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't start up till I die.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this.
And last but not least, what is a Y2K set without charms and gems? So I'm going to go in and just randomly put on gems and different charms. I have these really cute ones that I've gotten from Amazon. I have stars, I have hearts, just all these like rhinestone, very like shiny, shimmery, girly, different charms that I'm going to be adding, and I think it just brings it all together.
You wanna be when I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close?
Of course, you're going to go in and cure it and then take that top coat and add that final layer to bring it all together. Give it a cure, and this is what it turned out to look like. I think it is so fun and cute. Definitely a little bit out of my comfort zone, but like I said, I love the look of duck nails. This is my first time actually wearing them for myself, and I'm actually having a lot of fun with it. So let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!